Hi everyone, I just want to come on to let you know about a great video interview. Actually, it's an interview that I just did with our David Sweet. So David Sweet, he's a remediator from Florida who's primarily focused on education. He does a ton of litigation and he knows a lot. So he's one of the few people that when I've had conversations with him, and I've had many over the years, that we think we're going to talk for a half an hour and we end up on 90 minutes. So we agree on a lot of things. He's very focused on measuring moisture content as part of the remediation process. But in this video, he's in this interview, he's coming on to tell us what homeowners need to know about their insurance companies, know about how all that works. Not that their insurance companies are bad, but we can't ask for things that we don't know we're supposed to get. And certainly no one else is going to tell us about those things. So he focuses on cleaning, drying, cross-contamination. You talk about that and how you get the insurance company to do those things. So one of the things I'll give you a quick tip is to read your insurance policy. And then when they decline you on something, you say, where does it say you don't do that? So that was one of the tips that came out of this video interview, and it was great. I think we're going to have him back again. We had more questions than we've ever had in the Q&A on that. If you have a chance to watch it on the video recording, I recommend you do that because it's a really good one. And he may have a course that we can take advantage of. I'm going to learn more about that and take a look at it myself, but I have a feeling it's going to be a great thing for me to share that he's doing and sticking to his wheelhouse of mold remediation. And he does do training, because I think one of the biggest problems that we're seeing in the world today is that the people who we're asking to do our work for cleaning and protect ourselves in the remediation process and the restoration process don't have enough education to do the work they're supposed to be doing. Well, they may be great people, but it is really hard to get the right information to the right people. And so if we know as homeowners what we need, then that's the first step, so that we can stop the ship that's going, out onto the ocean that doesn't have all the information ready and that we haven't adequately prepared. So he talks about how to document your claims and what to ask for and how to be calm and to make sure that you're not going too far down the road before you're asking questions that they're going to come back at you and say they're not going to pay for that thing. So it is a contract. So check that out at the Dwell Well Institute, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks again.